Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the game range firewall issue. Let's get started to fix the game range firewall problem. First I'm going to open the game ranger to make sure that I have firewall problem. So I open the game ranger, I'm going to click on host, preparing connection, the firewall problem. And if you go to the learn more, it will open in a new tab and guys can see the UDP port 16,000 in your firewall. They set some solutions, but for some people it works, not for everyone. For example, if I show you, I will go to my router. You can go to your router and set up the firewall, configuring the port, and I did not do anything because it's not working for me, so it's completely, you guys can see I did not open anything in that. This solution is for those who have trouble even after they open the port in the router. And also there is another solution for port forwarding, like firewall. You need to go to the Windows Defender firewall, inbound, and create a new role, and you need to select port and select UDP and 16,000. And I also did not do that because it's not working for me. So let's get started. So first we need to open CMD, the command prompt, and type ping 193.188.97.193 minus T. Now we can see the ping, it's replying successfully. So in the description below I given the download files, then you can download this OpenVPN by Wisdom and extract it. Once it extracts successfully, we need to install the setup file. Alright, the installation is complete. Click on finish, and now you need to open the OpenVPN. When you open, you guys can see there is a PC marked with lock. Right click on it and import file, and you need to select the configuration files. I already put it up here. You need to go to the path and select it, click on open, and file imported successfully. Now all you need to do is, I'm going to open the game ranger to check the firewall problem. Now I'm going to choose the host. Here now we will have the firewall problem. The firewall problem we have, now we're going to fix that one. First you need to exit the game ranger completely, then you need to right click and connect. Check our ping, there should be no request timeout. So it's connected successfully and our internet is working perfect. I'm going to click it on host and OK. Preparing connection. Finally the firewall problem is gone. There is only port restricted. It doesn't matter, we can click on continue. So sometimes there might be a problem again. If you host this one, you can play successfully, but once you exit this, for example, I close this tab. Okay, now I close the host tab. Now I'm in the game ranger lobby, so I'm going to click on host. There might be a problem again for the firewall issue, but now it's working, but sometimes it will come. If it comes, then you need to restart your device. First try, close the game ranger, then reconnect the VPN and host it. If it's not work, then you must restart and do it. It will work. I hope this video is really helpful for everyone to resolve the firewall issue in the game ranger. And don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Wisdom.